Hello, it's me again, Tom. We continue the lesson 3, Leccion Tres, of the Español muy básico, very basic Spanish. Formularios oraciones básicas, form the basic sentence. El orden de las palabras, the orders of words. Let's start the lesson now. We will talk about Spanish grammar and how to form the basic sentence and word order. For example, the simple sentence, Yo escucho la música. I listen to the music. In this sentence, we have subject and verb, and then the object. The subject is yo. The verb is escucho. I listen. And the object is la música, the music. The word orders of Spanish sentence and the word order of English sentence is very similar. They are using subject plus verb plus object. El tema, el bebos, y el objeto. Yo mean I. El pronombre viene primero. Pronouns come first, and then the verb come next. El verbo viene siguiente, and then comes the object, the music. Luego viene el objeto, and the verb order is subject, verbs, and then the object, la música. So in simple sentence, the word orders of English, Spanish, and even Chinese are very similar. So now we do the exercise. Try to translate I eat an orange into Spanish. Yo, to eat, comer, an orange, una naranja. So the sentence will be Yo como una naranja. Omission of subject. For example, Yo como una manzana. I eat an apple. In Spanish, we omit the pronoun yo. So we only say como una naranja, and omission of the pronoun. And the second sentence, usted comió un aguacate. You ate an avocado. You ate. In past tense, usted comió, and we omit the usted, so we only say comió un aguacate. You ate an avocado. The negative sentence, for example, yo no como manzana. I don't eat apple. We only add no before the word como, and we omit the yo, so the sentence will be no como manzana. I don't eat apple. Usted no comió una aguacate. You didn't eat an avocado. We also add no before the word comió, and we omit the usted, so the sentence will be no comió una aguacate. You didn't eat an apple. Form questions. For example, tiene dinero. This means you have money. And if you form the question, you just add a question mark after the sentence and a reverse question mark before the sentence to create a question. And you read it, tiene dinero, do you have money? The other forms of question is that Tomás lee mucho libro. Thomas reads many books. To form the sentence, Tomás lee mucho libros, add the reverse question mark before it and the question mark after it to form the question, does Tomás read many books? Or you can form it in this way. For example, Tomás lee mucho libro. No, Thomas reads many books, doesn't he? Or lee Tomás mucho libro. Does Thomas read many books? In today's lesson, we have learned the word order in a simple sentence in Spanish, affirmative and negative sentence formation, and the omission of subject. Finally, the question. Leccion Tres, lesson 3. Is all for today's lesson, simple grammar. Adiós, hasta la vista. Bye, see you next time. Bye bye, 下次見. Adiós, hasta la vista. Bye, until then. Bye bye, 下回再見. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much. 多謝晒.